Hi friends, welcome to the IRM channel. In this video, I am going to explain about set resources limits in Kubernetes pods. Let us go into the task. Till that time, we will open the Kubernetes documentation for reference. Yeah, it's open now. It will take some time to load the terminal. Okay, we will now select limits in the search bar. Not this one. Yeah, this is the one. First, we will select the pod. First, we will select the kind as pod, and then we will add the requests and limits for the container or pod. You will see, we will go to the our question and let us think about it. We need to create the name of the pod HTTP pod, container name HTTP container, use the latest image as HTTP latest, request 5 MI and CPU as 100 M. Limits memory as 200 MI, 220 MI, sorry, 100 M. So let us copy this and paste the code here and make changes to it. We will set this as limits, right? We will select CPU as 100 M, limit memory as 20 MI. Yeah, now it's visible. 20 MI, and here I will 100 MI, 100 M, sorry, 15 MI, image name as HTTP latest. HTTP FN pod. Oh, sorry, container name should be HTTP container, not pod. Pod name should be HTTP container, HTTP to pod. Let us apply kubectl, apply -f pod.yaml. Yes, created. Kubectl get pods running. Let us check the output. Success. If you like my video, please share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.